Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I got some of the most important factors that I want to point out because I have seen, according to some of the comments that I've received from some of my viewers, they think that the soil has a lot to do with the performance of these devices. So I wanted to point this out because I think that some of you may think that this is somehow related or like they work together or something like that. It's not. So for example, this is the soil. This is the soil that I'm doing the experiments on. I don't know if you can see it. Like it's a little bit darker. It's a little bit darker. It's not like brighter. So a lot of people say that the because the soil is it seems like it has a lot of iron in it. They think that the platform operates really easily on this kind of soil, and this is not the case. This is not the case because on some of the videos, especially the ones that I'm gonna display on the screen, I did the experiments even on the table, especially the second experiment. I think the second experiment that we have done on the KEIDIUM Levity device, I did the experiment on the table. I didn't put the platform on the ground like we did on these ones. It's not like I didn't put it on the ground like these ones. I didn't put it on the ground like these ones. I did experiments, but the platform was on the table. It was not on the ground, and it kind of showed a really good effect, even better than this. So this is one of the points that I want. Like it's not like related. The soil is not related to the performance of the platform. It has nothing to do with it because even if I put the platform in the air, or I put the platform on the table as we did on the first one, maybe even longer, the longer table, it's going to still affect in the same way.